What's up guys, I'm back with a video. I'm finally doing the headlight blacking out video that I said I was going to do about, I don't even know, maybe like 6-7 months ago, but I'm done being lazy, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing this. This is my headlight that I'm going to black out in the inside, and let me show you what you guys are going to be getting or be seeing once you do this process. I've already done this one and they came out very nice. Keep in mind this is a old headlight. These are literally as old as a car, so it's not perfect. You can see scratches still and stuff. I polished as much as I can using my restoration video that you can go see also to see how to polish your headlight lenses. Anyway, so these are my headlights blacked out. As you can see, internals are blacked, and I switched out my amber from the orange one to this clear one because it looks a lot better. And I had to keep this chrome or reflective because this still needs to be reflective. Now, what you see here is exactly how I did it. I'm not saying it's the way to do it, but it's the way I did it, and it worked for me. As you can see, I have the product right there. Besides that, let's get into the stuff you're gonna need. You're gonna need a pair of gloves. You need gloves, trust me. We're gonna get the headlight very hot, and you have to handle the headlight. So you need gloves. You don't want to burn yourself. And a rag. I always just keep a rag around. And you're gonna definitely want an assortment of flatheads. You can see these are all flathead screwdrivers. You don't need all of them. Just maybe a few could work, but having more is nice. And you're definitely gonna need a blow dryer. This is an old blow dryer that I use, and it works perfectly fine. You do not need a heat gun, but a heat gun is probably better. And you're gonna need your paint that you're gonna be using to paint up your headlight. For me, I went with Rustoleum's Ultra Matte 2K. I mean, not 2K, 2X, which has paint and primer in it, and that's what gave me this matte black right here. Here, let's see if you can see it. Let me just back up. So it's not glossy or anything. It's just matte inside, and I liked it. I like it a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it again. And some water just in case to clean something up. Oh, and you're gonna need tape. And I'll show you a cool trick with the tape later, so you can tape up this if your headlight has one of those. So let's get right into it. Forgot to mention, you're gonna need a box that can hold your headlight. And on the box, you're gonna need to cut out a hole where you can put your blow dryer through so it can heat up the box. For me, I use this box because my headlights are pretty big, and just keep in mind, headlight needs to go inside the box and needs to close completely. So yeah, quick reminder, if you have any tint on your headlight, you're gonna want to remove that before you heat it up. And as you can see, I'm going to have to do that with this right here. Alright, so as you guys saw, I cleaned off the tint off of the headlight, and I'm going to go ahead and remove any screws that are holding the lens together. So for the Accord Coupes headlights, you have one screw right here, one screw right there, one screw right there, and one screw over here, right there. And you're also going to want to remove all your lights out of the housing. Alrighty, so the headlight's ready for the box. As you can see, I have some blocks of wood in there. That's just so that the headlight doesn't stay on the bottom, and so that the warm air can circulate all around the headlight. So what I would normally do is just face this in like this, and then you got to make sure that the headlight is not touching any of the corners. At least you don't really want it touching any of the corners. But that's the way I have it set in. So now I'm going to close it up and then start applying some heat to it. Alright, so as you guys can see, I got it open. You saw me wrestling with it for a good like 30 seconds. It's very difficult and annoying to do this for that part alone. The rest is easy now. The hard part is over. What I'm going to do next is take apart everything that I'm going to be painting. And then taking apart this part, right, because the amber is there. And I'm going to switch out to the clear amber. What I'm going to do next is tape up this in here. And I have a cool little trick. I get some toilet paper because it's nice and soft and it's not going to scratch up anything. And I just stuff it right in here. And then I start taping over everything. So this toilet paper acts as like a backing. So the tape can, you know, you're not like there's nothing behind it and you're trying to tape. You get me? Well, if you don't, but you'll see it right now. But that's what I do. And then you're gonna see a lot of time lapse during this video because everything's just, it's time consuming and you're not gonna wanna watch everything. So we tape it up, and after that, we're gonna start time lapse with painting it. Alright, finally we get to painting. Where I'm painting is just in the same box as the makeshift oven. I already cleaned the whole inside with a little bit of alcohol, lightly. And then I blew it off for any dust. And now all I'm doing is just shaking up my can. And then I'm going to start spraying it. Those have got to go. Alright guys, I'm back. I was editing the video and I realized I didn't have an outro. So here it goes. These are the headlights finally done on the car. They look really good. I love how they came out. The car looks so much more like cooler, I guess. With these headlights blacked out. Sorry if it's a little shaky, but check them out. Let me go ahead and turn them on so you can see what I did with the clear. But that's what the car looks like with them on. Here it is. I said those were ugly and they gotta go, so I got new ones. I got those at AutoZone for about 20 bucks. They're LEDs, 6K. Oh, it just turned off. But anyway, you saw how it looked. And that's the end of the video, guys. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, like, comment. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below. I always answer the questions to the best of my abilities, obviously. And subscribe for more content. I have a few more videos planned, and you guys aren't going to want to miss them.